Again, thank you for joining me. I'm going to show you an example of how to calculate a line by direction on any distance on that line. We have the known points on the alignment, but guess what? We need to stake out that endo, that 7 plus O2. And for this instance, we don't know, and this is how we're going to do it. We're going to calculate that endpoint using that point interception there and the beginning of the alignment. We already know the alignment keeps on going. We don't have the point end of that alignment. We only have the beginning of the alignment and a known point interception on that alignment. They already told us that that is the varying on that alignment. We just need to calculate a station on that alignment that goes beyond or anywhere in between those 2 points. And let me make it very simple for you, okay? Because I know it can get very confusing. So for this instance, I'm going to erase this point because we have these 2 points right here. We have those 2 points. So we need to calculate a line from this point. Let me turn my snap settings on not. And so we need to, from this line, from the beginning of that point 1, we need to calculate somewhere out here and a given station. It is really important for us to calculate our station. Remember, we're calculating, we're approximating. We don't have really the time right now to draw an RFI and say, hey, I'd like to know what is station blah, 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 because we need to stake it out. No, we're great techs. We can calculate that and we can approximate that. So here we go. So we need to figure out how to get this stationing beyond a known point on this V alignment. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to go to Kogo program, and it's called the line by direction and distance. And we're going to say specify start point, and then that's our first point. And then ask us to specify the quadrant, or if you right click on that, you enter an azimuth. If you know the azimuth, you can put the azimuth there. If you don't, for this example, we're going to use the points. We have point 1 there, and then point B. That gives us, that basically is telling the software, hey, we need to calculate in this line that distance. What is the distance? It's a station 10 plus pair. Okay, so it's basically 1,000 foot. So we're gonna type in 10 plus pair, 1,000 foot. I'm gonna enter. Boom, it gives me my line right there. You see that? That is my line. And then guess what I'm gonna do with that line? I'm gonna go to the alignment, create alignment from objects, click on that, enter that, and then I'm gonna reverse that because my stationing goes the other way. And then click, I'm gonna name it alignment B, enter that, and boom. You see that? We have an alignment, and guess what I'm gonna do with the alignment? Export it, get into my DX on my data collector, and I'm running.